Hey everyone! Welcome back to Georgia Homes for Sale channel. We've got some thrilling news for those dreaming of home ownership in Georgia. Bob Hale Realty is excited to introduce you to the Georgia Dream program, offering a down payment grant of up to $15,000. Now, why kick off the month with this? Well, Georgia Dream has a special program granting first-time buyers a whopping $15,000 towards their home purchase. This can cover closing costs and down payments, a significant boost to your savings on your first home. Let's delve into the details. The $15,000 comes from funds allocated during the recession to revive the housing market. Despite the recovery, there are still funds available, especially in counties like Clayton, DeKalb, Douglas, Fulton, and Richmond, among others. Now, to qualify for this incredible opportunity, you need a credit score of 640 or higher. You also need to contribute at least $1,000 of your own funds. The program extends beyond Metro Atlanta, covering various counties in Georgia, and this is where you can share the love. The Georgia Dream program, managed by the Department of Community Affairs, not only offers financial assistance but also provides counseling to prepare you for homeownership. It's a fantastic initiative to guide you through the entire process. For those special counties hardest hit, there's an allocated amount for first-time home buyers, around 200 to 300 loans available. But here's the catch. Once these loans are claimed, the funds won't be available anymore, so time is of the essence. To be eligible, you must not have owned a home in the last 3 years, making this opportunity perfect for those ready to transition from renting to owning. Share this with friends or family members who've been saving up and are ready to move into their new home. If you're interested or have any questions about the Georgia Dream program, reach out to me. You can call or message Steve Hale at 706-840-4663. Act fast, because once those 200 to 300 loans are gone, so is the allocated money. Share this video with anyone you think might be interested. Thank you for joining us for Getting Real About Real Estate with Bob Hale Realty.